Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to make an easy tomato rice. The tangy flavor of tomatoes makes this a great lunch recipe. If you are bored of having plain rice, this is an interesting variation that you must try. So without further delay, let's get started. The ingredients that we need are 1 medium-sized onion, 4 medium-sized tomatoes, 5 or 6 garlic pods, around 7 to 10 red chilies depending upon your spice preference, 2 cups of washed basmati rice. Here I am using 250 ml measurement cup. We also need turmeric powder, salt, chili powder, mustard seeds. Here I am using gingerly oil, you can also use sunflower oil, and water to cook the rice and some curry leaves. Into the pan, add water. Then add washed basmati rice. And salt as required. When the rice gets cooked, strain it and keep it aside. Now, roughly crush garlic and red chilies in a blender and keep it aside. Now, roughly chop the tomatoes and puree it in a blender. I am doing it in 2 batches and keep the puree aside. Let's quickly chop the onions. Into the pan, add oil. Here I am using sesame oil. When the oil gets hot, add mustard seeds. When it splutters, add red chilies and curry leaves. Into this, add crushed red chilies and garlic and saute for a while until the raw smell goes away. Now add chopped onions and saute well until it turns translucent. Into this, add salt as required, half a teaspoon red chili powder. The crushed red chilies that I added earlier were really spicy. That's why here I am using only half a teaspoon of chili powder. Half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Now add pureed tomatoes and cook for a while, occasionally stirring in between. When I tasted, the salt was less for me, so here I am adding more salt. When the gravy gets thick and tomatoes have cooked completely, add rice. Saute well until the rice gets evenly coated with the masala. Let it sit for around 10 minutes and serve it hot with simple raita.